Hi, I'm Ryan Kelly.
And I'm Lindsey Kelly.
Happy Easter, and thank you for joining us in this special edition of Cooking with the Kellys. In this episode, we're going to throw in a little bit of a twist. Today we're going to be making deviled eggs, which is one of my absolute favorite things to eat on Easter.
But we're going to be adding avocado to the filling because it'll add some healthy fats and give that extra creaminess. So Ryan, I'm going to have you start on the deviled eggs.
Right on.
And I'm going to go over here for the twist. So come with me. April is also National Gardening Month, and a lot of people have shown interest in learning how to garden while they travel the country. So I'm here to show you how you can start gardening in your motorhome. So in addition to National Gardening Month, April is also known for Stress Awareness Month, which is one reason why I chose lavender. One, because it's beautiful, and two, because the aromatics of it are stress relieving. What I have here is a French lavender plant, and this style of lavender grows better indoors, which is why we're going to use this for gardening in our RV. Once you get your lavender plant picked out, we're going to get our pot ready for soil, and that's where our egg comes in. An important thing to know is that lavender thrives best in a neutral to basic soil. And this little guy, the eggshell, is going to help keep the balance of the pH. How are the eggs coming?
Great. I brought the water to a boil, put eggs in it, and looks like they're just about done. How about you? How's the lavender going?
It's going good. I'm just breaking up the roots right now, and I'm transferring it to a porous container. That way it'll help shed some of the water. Get it in there. And then I'm gonna break up the eggshell so you guys can see. I'm just gonna put it right in top, and kind of just mix it in there. We're good to go. And now we're gonna water it.
Perfect. Okay, now that we have the eggs boiled, what's next?
Now we're gonna make the filling for the eggs.
Excellent.
So now we have our boiled eggs, and now we're gonna lay them all out, cut them in half, and take the yolk out and put it in a bowl. Then we're gonna take the egg whites and put them on a serving platter.
Next, we're going to cut up the avocado. Make sure that your avocado is ripe when you buy it. Let's try getting the pit out with a knife. Okay, well that's not working. Let's try a spoon. Just work the spoon around and kind of just pop the pit out. Honey, a little help?
Here, let me help you, Ryan. Okay, yeah, we'll throw that away. Nope, no.
All right, now let's mix it all up. You want to make sure that you
have a ripe avocado.
Yes.
Otherwise this won't take as long.
But if you don't, just make sure that you smush down the avocado and get a nice even consistency between the yolk and the avocado. And then add some mayonnaise. That's about a fourth there.
3 tablespoons makes a 1/4 cup if you don't have a 1/4 cup measuring cup.
And we'll stick those back in. Once we got the mayonnaise in there, let's mix it up again. To really add some flavor, we're gonna add 4 teaspoons of lime juice. Now we'll add a 4th teaspoon of garlic powder. This gives it some really good flavor. And my favorite, a 4th teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper. And finally, to top it all off, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Perfect. This is starting to look good. Maybe just a little bit more.
Until it's a nice smooth consistency.
Right. I know why they call it deviled eggs, because it is hell to mix.
And now we're gonna fill the eggs with the filling. This might take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. And then we're gonna sprinkle it with some paprika and some green onions.
This looks so good.
The green onions will make a nice garnish.
Okay, now that we've finished the eggs, let's find a home for our lavender.
Awesome. And we want to find a place that has lots of sun because lavender thrives in the sun. That's what makes it kind of challenging to grow indoors. But the advantage of living in a coach is...
Well, you're not locked down to one place, so you can kind of chase after the sun.
Exactly. So where should we put it?
Let's put it in the front of the coach.
All right, let's do it.
There you go, that looks good.
Yeah. Well, thank you for joining us, everyone, and sitting in that extra twist that we have of growing lavender in your motorhome.
Happy Easter. We hope today you enjoy scavenger hunts, chocolate bunnies, and deviled eggs. Yeah. Speaking of deviled eggs, let's try these. Cheers.
Good.
That'll work. See you next time.